Now that everything is imported, it's time to set up this blend space to blend between the animations that we've got, apart from the fall, which we don't need. Okay, so here's what we need to do. We're going to right click in our anims folder. We're going to go up to animation, and we're going to choose Blendspace 1D. And we need to choose which skeleton we're going to attach this to, which is going to be our Rob mesh skeleton. And we're going to call it Rob underscore BS, BS of course being for Blendspace. There we go. So let's open this up. And this is what it looks like. And down here is where we can blend our animations together. So you can see at the moment we've got these kind of 4 increments. And they represent sort of how hard the player is pressing on the analog stick. So if they're pressing it about halfway, 50%, this is what animation to show. So at 0%, we need it to show the idle. So what we'll do, you can see all the animations are listed here. We'll take the idle and we're going to drag that over here. And you can see that now it's doing our idle. By the time they get to 25%, we want him to be walking. So we'll get the walk animation and we'll drag that over here. And now if I just hold shift and move my mouse side to side, you can see, especially here, so here is where there's nothing on this value, and then as we go up to 25, it blends into the walk. Brilliant. And so at 75%, we're going to have the run. So I'm just going to drag that to here. And then you can see that if we go down to the walk here, so I'm just holding shift again, there's the walk, and as we move up to the run, there you go, you can see that it blends into the run. Perfect. Okay, one thing that we're going to need to change is what the horizontal axis, so this is just a graph, we need to change what the horizontal axis is called so we can access this later. So I'm just going to name this speed and press enter. And I actually want the walk to start a little sooner. So what I'm going to do is change the number of grid divisions to 5. And that means that this now starts at a speed of 20 instead of 25. It also means that this now happens at 80. So it just adds a few more points. You can add as many as you want. We are probably going to come back into this a little later because the maximum axis value is set to 100. And I don't think that's going to be enough. But we're going to leave it where it is for now. And that's the blend space complete. So now if you just hold shift, you can start from your idle, move up to a walk, and then go all the way up to a run. Lovely. Okay, make sure you save that. We can close the blend space for now. And in the next step, we're going to set up an animation blueprint. I'm able to continue making these videos thanks to the ongoing support of my amazing Patreon community. If you'd also like to support Game Dev Academy via Patreon, then check out the link in the description below. Thank you.